Good morning, girls. Today we will start fertilization in flowering plants. So now first see, pollen grains falls on the stigma. Pollen grain. These are pollen grain. Pollen grains fall on the stigma. This is stigma. This is a carpel. Stigma, style. This one is the ovary. And these are the small red colored one. These are the pollen grains. Pollen grains fall on the stigma and it absorbs the sugary substances secreted by the stigma. Sugary substances which is secreted by the stigma portion, they absorb that substance and they form a pollen tube. This is a pollen tube. They form a pollen tube, and this thin pollen tube, this pollen tube carry the male gametes. Within the pollen grain, the male gametes are present. We know the main units of fertilization are male gametes and female gametes. So, from this pollen grain, male gametes passes through the pollen tube. This pollen tube penetrates the stigma and passes through the style and ultimately enters into the ovule. This one is the ovule. Within the ovule, the male gamete enters inside the ovule. The top of the pollen tube bursts open. This is the top. This top of the pollen tube bursts open and the male gamete comes out. And inside the ovule, female gametes are present. Okay, 8 cells are present inside the female gamete. So no need to know in details what are these 8 cells. You just know that within this ovule, female gamete is present, and through this pollen tube, the male gametes come. The male gamete enters into the ovule, the wall ruptures, and the male gamete enters inside the ovule. And inside the ovule, the female gamete is present. Then the male gamete fuses with the female gamete and form zygote. This fusion of male gamete with female gamete is called fertilization. The fuse of male gamete with the female gamete to produce zygote is called fertilization. You just know up to this. No need to practice the drawing 4.38 of page number 863. No need to practice this drawing. Thank you.